Today is March the 5th, 2021. One of the more common requests I have from my students is how do I create a shopping cart? With Toronto, Canada being still in lockdown, I guess my students have a lot of requests from their family or friends how to start an online business. So today I'm going to talk about the easiest and quickest way for you to get online, to get your shopping cart online, and that is to use a payment gateway provider, Shopify. Okay. Now, in the tutorial today, I'm not going to talk about how to create a Shopify account or how to add products or create collections, because those are very simple things that you can just Google and Google it and you will know how to do it. However, I am going to talk about coding. Okay, so the reason why you need to code is because the Shopify comes with different themes. You can upload the theme to your store, and then you can publish it with that theme. The only thing is that you will still be limited by the theme. The appearance of your website will still be limited by your theme. So there may be times where you want to change a certain look of a specific item on your website, so you may need to go into the coding to change it. So I'm just going to show you where the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is. You're going to go into Themes, and then click on Action, Edit Code. So all these files, all these .liquid files, they are basically HTML files. Okay, so think of all these files as your HTML file. So it's got the tags, okay, the div tags, the body tag, the head tags. If you go into your asset file, sorry, let me just close or minimize all this. Go into your asset file. Here's where you find your CSS files. And also your JavaScript files. All right, so let me just do a tutorial on the three things so that you know how to customize your Shopify webpage. So I'm going to have one video on HTML. I'm going to have the second one on CSS, and I'm going to have a third one on JavaScript.